Friends, I hope all of you are keeping well. Friends, today we are going to talk about rubber cultivation in India. As you know, India is an agrarian country and agriculture is done on very large scale in the country. So today we are going to talk about rubber cultivation in India. My dear friends, look at the map of India. Rubber is mainly equatorial crop and it is grown in Kerala state. Kerala is the leading producer of rubber in the country. Okay, this is Kerala. But along with this equatorial region, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Around 3/4 rubber comes from Kerala only as far as total production is concerned. Okay, so as just now we have discussed, it is equatorial crop and it is grown in moist and humid climatic conditions. As far as its geographical conditions, or you can say ideal conditions for its well growth are concerned, high rainfall about 200 centimeter is an ideal situation, and high temperature also about 25 degrees Celsius becomes important for this crop. And along with Kerala, it is also grown in different areas. Along with Kerala, it is grown in Tamil Nadu, right? This is your Tamil Nadu. It is also grown in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In Meghalaya also it is grown here. Here we have Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills. So Garo hills of Meghalaya, right? These all are important areas, but leading producer is Kerala only. As I told you, around 70 to 80% rubber comes from Kerala only, right? And other areas. My dear friends, rubber is an important industrial raw material also. A wide range of products are there which we get from rubber. It is used to manufacture auto tires and tubes, cycle tires and tubes, footwears, belts and hoses, camelback, and so on. A long list of products is there where it is used as a raw material. And as far as India's rank is concerned in the world's total rubber production, India ranks among top five. In the world, main countries which are equatorial countries: Malaysia, Indonesia, in parts of China, Vietnam, all these, and India also. All these areas are the important producers in the world of rubber. Okay, and as far as natural rubber is concerned, which we get from rubber tree, it is known by different names. Natural rubber, which is a very popular name, latex, which we get from rubber tree, and chow couch also, which we get from rubber tree. So these are different names. Excuse me. These are different names of rubber which we get from rubber tree. And one more very important thing, there is a link between agriculture and industry. The moment we collect natural rubber from trees, it is collected in the buckets as a traditional process and immediately transported to the manufacturing units. Why? Because if we have some delays in the transportation of natural rubber from farms or from fields to the mills, it will be dried up and its quality would be deteriorated. That is why we need to immediately transport the natural rubber from fields to the industries. So friends, in today's discussion we have understood in which areas it is grown, what are the ideal geographical conditions for its cultivation, and its significance in industries, India's rank in the world, and different different names by which it is known in the world. Okay, I hope all the concepts are clear to you people. And if you have any doubt, please write your message in the comment box. Thank you very much. God bless you all.